Deep in the jungle, forgotten by time, this green beast lies in ruins.
Look at it. Abandoned, beaten, broken, yet still regal. This car was built to shine, and it's Jesus. Every scratch whispers secrets of the past. Every dent hides stories of roads traveled. This isn't just restoration, it's resurrection. Today, we pull it from the shadows of the jungle and
From rust to glory, from decay to dreams, the journey begins and nothing will stop.
the jungle leaves its scars behind, but the battle isn't over. This place will decide. Under these lights, the damage becomes clearer, but so does the potential. This is where broken legends are reborn, not to make it beautiful, but to reveal the truth. Every layer of dirt removed shows what must be rebuilt. This isn't cleaning. This is uncovering a soul buried under years of neglect and silence. Now the truth is exposed. Not beauty, not shine, but reality. Every flaw is visible. Rust is time-eating metal. And today, we fight time, one spark at a time. The past doesn't disappear fast. It fades slowly, patiently, layer by layer.
To rebuild something broken, you must first take it apart.
This heart once ruled the roads. Now it sleeps in silence. This is where rebirth truly starts, when the old heart is stripped and prepared to live again. Each dent is carefully coaxed back into shape, and the scars remain, but slowly, the legend awakens.
Layer by layer, the old surfaces are prepared, patience revealing what will soon shine. Each dent is carefully coaxed back into shape, and the scars remain, but slowly, the legend awakens. Layer by layer, the old surfaces are prepared, patience revealing what will soon shine. Primer is the promise, a whisper that what's broken can slowly be reborn.
The color returns softly, not instant glory, but a gradual awakening, layer by careful layer.
Step by step, the scars fade. The car begins to breathe again, patient and alive, ready for its final glory. Not loud, not rushed, just perfection. The final skin that turns scars into strength.
Details define greatness. Every line, every edge, every reflection, rebuilt with care.
Inside, a soul is reborn. Comfort, class, and character return to their rightful place.
This is not repair. This is transformation. From forgotten metal to living legend. From jungle ruins to showroom glory. This is resurrection. Welcome to Classic Restore Hub.